Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. We are learning yoga from scratch from zero and this is day 8 of the practice session. If you are just starting, start from day 1 video. We are learning Yogic Sukshma Vyayam and today we are going to increase the number of rounds of the practice that we did in the last practice session, that was day 7. Okay. So we're just going to increase the number of rounds. Look straight at your eye level, focus on your throat, breathe deep and loud. Relax. Now move your head side to side, breathing normal, natural. Now move your head up and down. Again, breathing normal, natural. By now, you would have memorized the movements. Now it's time to rotate one clockwise, one anti-clockwise movement. Breathing normal, natural. Complete 5 rotations and then relax. I've done more number of rounds. You can stop at 5. Okay. Now as you inhale, you will move your arms up, sideways. Exhale, arms down. Go as fast as is comfortable. Don't hit your thigh. Don't touch your head. Relax. Now clench your fist, deep inhale, hold the breath, rotate your arm in the forward direction for as long as it's comfortable. The moment you feel you're not comfortable holding the breath, bring the fist in front of the chest and exhale with force. Now relax and repeat the same thing in the reverse direction. Remember, you don't have to go as fast as I'm doing. You have to just go as fast as you are comfortable and retain the breath till the point you are comfortable. Okay, now as you inhale, move your arms up, bend back from the upper body. Exhale, return. Relax. Now swing your arms back, opening your chest and shoulder. Exhale, return. Now clench your fist with the right hand, hold it back with the left, keep it in the middle of your back, feet together, eyes open. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. 7 rounds on each side. Come in the center, switch your arms and repeat. 7 rounds again. Okay, relax. Now open your legs. Okay, I got disturbed with the hair. Tie your hair properly when you are practicing. Today I did not get the rubber band with which I generally tie it tight. So it's opening up. And don't do this mistake. Tie your hair properly. Okay, let's proceed. Open your legs wide and comfortable. Palms on your waist, thumb in front, four fingers back. Roll your shoulders backward. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. 7 rounds. Relax. Now feet together, arms opening sideways. Lock your arms. Deep inhale in the center. Exhale, bend on the side. Inhale center, exhale side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay. 5 rounds. Now extend your arms forward, fingers together, shoulder level distance between the feet. Twist, 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 twist. Exhale, 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 exhale. Continue. Now as you inhale, open your arms and legs. As you exhale, close. Jumping jack, Jangha Shakti Vikasa Kriya 1A. Inhale, open, exhale, close. I'm going to do 50 rounds. You have to do till the point you are comfortable. Maximum 50. So that was 50 rounds. Maximum 50 you have to do. If you could not do 50, let me know how many rounds you did in the comment section. We are learning Yogic Sukshma Vyayam. These practices basically you need to do for 1 month to proceed forward. This will open up your stiffness from the body, release the stiffness and tension from the body so that you can do asanas better. Now balance with Okay, keep your feet together, extend your arms forward, bend down, exhaling and hold. Today you are going to hold till the point you are comfortable with normal and natural breath. Let's see how long you can hold. You have to hold maximum till the point I am holding. Okay, I'm up. Alright, now let's proceed forward. Balance with one foot, lift the other one up and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Down. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Down. Feet together with every count. Lift your heels up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Sorry, somebody was there. We are going to start from the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now lift your heels up, go on your toes and jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Done. Now it's time for relaxation. Legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line. Let me adjust my mat. Okay, legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line. Arms few inches away from the body, palm facing the sky. Body in the state of relaxation. Relax. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have learned belly breathing and chest breathing in the previous sessions. Now I'm also going to tell you one thing, that I also use deep breathing technique to help my students. I practice that personally also and I teach it also. So with deep breathing also you can relax your body. While practicing deep breathing, you just have to inhale as much as is comfortable to you. Exhale slowly down. Keep practicing. As you inhale, just inhale and see how much air you are able to breathe in. As you exhale, slowly exhale. Try to exhale slower than inhalation. Inhale slowly. Expand your body. Here it doesn't matter whether chest is expanding or the belly is expanding. Just focus on maximum intake of the air as you are inhaling. As you exhale, slowly breathe out. The key is to breathe out slower than breathe in. You have to increase the duration of exhalation as you breathe in and breathe out, slow and deep. Inhale slow, exhale even slower. Okay. Once you finish deep breathing, you will feel that the body feels more relaxed, mind is calm. Take your time to relax your body. Stay in this position. If you want, you can do more number of rounds of deep breathing. Let me know how comfortable you were in practicing deep breathing. And with this, I conclude today's session. I hope you enjoyed the practice. I hope you are enjoying the process of learning. If you have any questions, put it in the comment box and I'll reply to them. I'll see you in the next practice session. If you have any question, confusion, let me know. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Namaste.